Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off.
What's up, y'all? It's D-Tech World. I just ordered this from Amazon maybe about like a day or so ago. It just came in late yesterday evening. Just want to do an open box on this. It's a car. It's a vent car mount. It's supposed to be automatic, I think. No, I want to say it. I don't think it's automatic. I think I was looking at something else. But yeah. So anyway, it's by, correct me if I'm wrong, Torras. I don't know if I say that right. Torras Wings Series Gravity Car Mount. It's the one going into the vent. So this is how it looks right here. Got your Brandon Wing Series. This is how it looks with a phone. That's the model. It's a clip. Some information on them, who was made by, etc., etc. And this is also what it looks like. Some other pictures. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. So I had to bring out my Batman knife. So this is what it looks like. Nice little packaging. This is what it looks like. So I guess you go, what the hell is this? Oh, okay. So it's like, oh, okay. Interesting. Gravity type of deal. Okay. Oh. Okay. What's wrong with that? So here goes this is the wing. I'm guessing that goes in there and it screws in. So I'm guessing that's that metal section is for. But yeah, this is the wing. Let's see if I can, a one hand technique. There we go. Bam. Didn't even drop. That's what it looks like. The wing part. So I figured that out, how to put that in there. Okay. I don't know, I'm about to read directions for this. I usually don't read directions for that. I might have to. So this is directions right here. Okay, so I guess that's how it's supposed to look with the wing. That's it, really. So that is it. I want to just do an unboxing so y'all can see what this look like. First time actually buying the mount or car vent, or for that matter. I didn't want the actual mount because I didn't want it to mess up my beautiful inside car when I want to take it off or anything like that. But this is it. I upload another video on the review probably. Let you know how I like it. Peace. Alright, y'all, I lied. Video not over. So this is what it's gonna look like. Just like that. I tested it out yesterday when I was driving around and stuff. It worked out pretty cool. It don't move. And I hit a lot of bumps. I'm in Houston, so known for the potholes and everything. Didn't really move like that. It jiggled too much. Stayed in its place. Yeah, it worked out fine. So it's like a gravity thing. I know I said automatic. It's they call it like gravity or whatever. So when you lift it up, take it out, it opens up pretty much. And when you sit it down,
it closes. It pushes the bottom piece down, and that's what locks everything in. Then when you just lift it up, bottom piece comes up, and then the side piece just comes out. That's how it comes out. That's it. And then what I like about this is they got a hole at the bottom to run a USB. One thing sucks. I don't know if this is me, but the new Galaxy Samsung Galaxy 10 Plus, to me the damn USB is a little shorter. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I'm not sure. But it should reach into my damn console, but it might be like, it might take all of it. I might not have no room. So, but usually I don't charge up phone like that because I don't use it enough really in here. You know, for it to be going dead most of the time. It's charging. It's fully charging, lasting pretty much all day. Y'all, I'm gone this time for real. Peace.
Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off.